Dkp Firearms is now open. We've got all the guns you could possibly ever want, including handguns, rifles, and shotguns. There's plenty of ammo here, and even more great weapons and accessories to buy like knives and scopes. Need a suppressor? Don't worry. We've got a kiosk that can get you fingerprinted in no time. Make sure to check out our new patriotic gun while you're here. It's celebrating America's 250th anniversary. We also buy guns and professionally clean them. Dkp Firearms, located on Utica Road in Fraser, Michigan, making sure you stay fully loaded.